Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about functions of Excel. Let's start. So first, let us discuss the three font cases in Excel, which are upper, lower and proper. Now let's start with upper function. As you can see, I have written my channel name, which is Studies a Lot, in this cell. Now if I want to change the text into uppercase, then I will have to write the function that is equals to upper first bracket, select the cell, bracket close and enter. So you can see that Studies a Lot has been changed into uppercase. Now next we will see lowercase. So for that we will again write a formula that is equals to lower first bracket, select the cell, bracket close and enter. So you can see that it has been converted into small letter, that is lowercase. Now we will again go to the next one, that is proper case. For that we will again write a function that is equals to proper first bracket, then select the cell, bracket close and enter. So you can see that it has been changed into proper case. Proper case means that the first letter of the word will be changed into capital letter. A separate video on font case has been already uploaded in our channel. So if you want more information about it, you can go and check on the I button, or you can even get it on our description box. So now let's move to left function. Left function allows us to extract some letters from a word. So for using that, we have to write equals to left, then cell reference, which is E7 in this case. Then we need to put comma along with the number that represents how many letters we want to extract. I want to take first 5 letters from left, so I entered 5, then bracket close and enter. See, from Studies a Lot, this function gives us first 5 letters from the left, which is study. So this is left function. Let's now move to right function. Right function allows us to pull some letters from the word, just like left function. So for this we need to write a formula that is equals to right cell reference, which is E8 in this case, then put comma along with the number that represents how many letters we want to extract. I want to take 7 letters from right, so I entered 7, then bracket close and enter. See, from Studies a Lot, this function gives us zealots. So this is right function. So this is the work of left and right function. Now let's move to mid function. Before using the mid function, we need to understand what is the purpose of using this function. If we need to extract some letters from the middle of a word, we need to use mid function by writing equals to mid bracket, then select the cell, start number from where we want to start extracting, comma, then we need to select how many characters we want to extract. In my case this is 5. So after pressing enter, we will get UDY space Z. So you can understand that space is also calculated as a letter. Now moving to the next function, that is concatenate function. The work of concatenate is to merge text from different cells into a particular cell. So for that we need to write a formula, that is equals to concatenate first bracket. Now here we will select study, then comma, and then zealots, then bracket close and enter. So you can see that in this cell we have got study zealot in one cell itself. But you can see that there is a space missing between study and zealots. So for that we need to write and make little changes in the formula, that is equals to concatenate first bracket, then select the first cell, comma, then inverted comma start, space, inverted comma end, comma, and the next cell, and then enter. So now you can see the space has been added. So this is the function and work of concatenate. Concatenate is a very important function which will help you in your work it also. Like if you are a data entry operator, then it will always help you to merge different data from different cells very easily. Next, length function. So the work of length function is to calculate the total number of letters present in the cell. Now for that we need to write a formula, that is equals to length, then first bracket, then select the cell, bracket close and enter. So you can see that it has been given 17, but here it is present 13 letters including the space between study and zealot. But as it is given 17, so you can see there are few spaces before the word study. So if we remove the space before study, then we can see the data, the length of the cell has been changed into 13. So this is the function of length. Next we can see there is trim function. So the trim function strips extra spaces from text, leaving only a single space between words and removing any leading or trailing space. So for that we need to write the function, that is equals to trim first bracket, then select the cell, bracket close and enter. So you can see the extra space or the unwanted space has been removed. Then find function. Suppose like here it is given study zealot. In this, if we want to search the position of any letter, then we can find with the help of find function. So the search is case sensitive. For using this function, we need to write a formula, that is equals to find first bracket, then we need to write in inverted comma what we need to find. Like suppose here we have written s, small s, comma, now we will select the cell, bracket close, enter. So you can see 13 is the answer. So 13 is the position of s. So this is the work of find function. Now let's move to the second last function of today, that is substitute function. So the work of substitute function is to replace a particular letter to another. So now let's see the formula, that is equals to substitute first bracket, then we need to select the cell, comma, in inverted comma we will write the letter which need to be replaced. Like here we have written small s, comma. Now by what we will replace it, that letter we will write in next in inverted comma. In this case it is B, bracket close and enter. So you can see that small s that was in zealots has been changed into zealot B. So this is the work of substitute function. So now let's move to the last function of today's video, that is replace function. So the work of replace function is to replace a set of characters by its position. Now for that we will see the formula, that is equals to replace first bracket. We will select the cell, comma. Now from where we will start replacing, we need to choose the position of it. For here we have chosen 1, then comma, then how many letters will be changed, we need to write the number of letters. For here it is 5, comma, then in between inverted comma we will write the letters or set of characters which will be replaced, bracket close, enter. So you can see that study Zealot study has been changed into learned zealots. For your knowledge, if in any formula we use a set of characters or words, we will write that word in inverted comma. That's all for today. So if you have any query, any question regarding this lesson, then you can write on the comment box. If you have any suggestion for us, you can always write it. We will love to hear it. And if you want any video on any particular topic, then you can also write us on our mail ID, which will be given on our description box. And you can also write on the comment box here. Thank you for watching our video. For more upcoming and informative videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel.